welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well, and today I have a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys, as what I mentioned in my last video. So why don't you grab a cup of coffee? I have mine right here, and let's get started. If you checked out my video talking about YSL a couple of weeks ago, I mentioned that I was hugely attracted by the Manhattan bag. And then while I was doing the research for this brand, somehow I fell in love with another bag, which is the very popular YSL. Okay, let me try this in French. I just Google searched the pronunciation. The YSL Le 5 à 7 bag. Very excited. I have this huge box right here. Ta-da! Okay. And yeah, let's open it up. I actually opened it a little bit because I just want to take a look at it and make sure it's, you know, the bag that I want before I pass the 14 days return policy. But other than that, this bag is as new as it can be because I've never really taken it out after I took a look of it, and it's been sitting here waiting for me to unbox this with you guys together. So let's open it up, and it's just covered with like a lot of papers and tissues. And if you just remove this part, there is a YSL dust bag in it. This is how it comes. There's no YSL box, it's just a YSL dust bag. And now we can retire the box finally. And yeah, this is the dust bag. And ta-da! This is the bag. Oh my god, I am so excited. So excited. Look at it, so pretty. Let me give you guys a closer look. This is the back. Look at this shining leather. Man. Okay, so just quickly share with you where did I get this bag from. So if you noticed, I did have a post a couple of weeks ago again, showing you that I saw a very good price on Farfetch of this bag. So the retail price of this bag, I think, is around 18,800 Hong Kong dollars, which is, quickly calculate, slightly more than 2,000 US dollars per bag. And I saw it on Farfetch that in a boutique, you know, Farfetch is a place where they have all boutiques around the world, you know, in this platform where they can sell their goods. And in this boutique in Baharan, this bag's retail price is around 13,500, which is, quickly calculate again, around 1,600 US dollars, which is actually the original price of this bag when it just came out in 2021. And it had at least a couple of price increase for almost 5,000 Hong Kong dollars, which is another calculation, 700 US dollars price increase. Crazy. I saw that price and I was like, oh my god, this is even better than the second-hand YSL bag that I saw from Vistara Collective, which is a second-hand bag selling platform. And I immediately just know that this is the moment that I was waiting for. This is the moment to get this bag. Now let's come back to talk about this bag. So this is the design that came out in 2021 and it immediately got really popular after it was introduced. It is the most popular handbag these days, which is called the underarm handbag, which basically you just put it on your shoulder and it will lay comfortably under your arm. Yep. Which is very chic. It's a, you know, the Y2K trend these days. And yeah, I think this is black. I think, yeah, it's like a shiny calf leather black color bag, and the this part is gold YSL logo, which they deliberately made it look a bit more oldish with an aged feeling. And yeah, and if you, for you to open this bag, you just need to pop this out, and then you, yeah, this is how you open it, which is just so chic. And of course, the handle of this bag is like this. Okay, just try to focus it again. The handle of this bag. And of course, this, we're gonna do some measurement later so that you guys can have a good idea of the size of this bag. And this is adjustable. This part is adjustable and it has a little YSL on top of it, logo on top of it as well. Yeah, and it also gives you that kind of an aged gold hardware feeling, and it's adjustable, but usually I think people just prefer to put it in the middle hole. They have 3 holes here, and I just let it be in the middle hole. This is how it came as well. And inside this bag, it's a very simple compartment in the middle, just this one big compartment, and then there is a zip pocket here. This is a zip pocket, and then inside is the authenticity card with the YSL authenticity card here. Okay, that's it. It's very simple, but for me, I think it's very good looking, very chic, and it's, to be honest, even though some people say that it is a trendy bag that will lose its popularity after some years, I do feel that the underarm bag is a classic style, so in my opinion it will stay popular for a very long time. And if you go on to the secondhand website, this bag's secondhand retail price is actually not much lower than its original price, and that's what I was thinking initially when I got this bag. If I sell this bag on the secondhand handbag platform, I can even make money. I think this is definitely a good purchase, and if you guys are interested, you should have a look out on Farfetch, because sometimes on Farfetch, since it is a platform where they have a lot of different boutiques around the world sell their products, and there will be a price difference among different boutiques, and if you manage to have like a coupon code, a discount code, or if they happen to have a sale at that moment, you can get some of the luxury items in a good price. Some of you might notice one thing about this bag is that you can easily get fingerprint, so you can see if I put my finger here and if I leave it, you will have a little bit of fingerprint left here, and it's just gone like that. But yeah, I don't mind. I really don't mind about these things, because I think the type of leather, and it is a part of the personality that this bag has. So let me quickly grab the measurement and then tell you guys what is the size of this bag. I have the measurement here and the back here, and let's see the length of this bag. So it is around 25 cm length, around like 9 to 10 inch. Okay, now let's see the width. I think around like 6 cm or 2.5 inch. And then the height of the bag is, let's just see, like somewhere here, 14 cm or 5.5 inch. And then the drop of the handle is, if you put it in the middle hole, then it will be somewhere around 17 cm or 7 inch. It is for sure not a big bag, but I don't think it's a mini bag. Let's do a quick fitting of this bag. So I quickly grab something that I use every day, and let's see if I can put everything inside. Okay, so let's open it up first. And lastly, a tissue packet. Just probably gonna just put it nicely over here. Yep. So, I mean, everything fit in pretty decently. You can see a little bit of the tissue pocket over there, but I think it's fine. I mean, okay, let me just put it over here. Yeah, probably is better. This is better. Yeah. So yeah, it's nice, and then this side nicely organized. Yep, and pretty decent. So before I buy this bag, I did went online and done my research a little bit. And some people says that this bag is not really very good at standing still, so it may fall. And if it falls, then everything inside the bag will just like splash out like that. But to be honest, I feel it stands quite solid right here on my hand. And yeah, I don't think it's that easy for it to fall. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you enjoy this type of unboxing, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like today's video, hit the subscribe button if you want to hear more of me talking about bags and luxury. Okay, so I never really have a regular timeline for me posting videos, but then I have decided that I should do better. Since it's a new year and it's my new year resolution, I will post video every 2 weeks on the Monday night. If I post any video in between the 2 weeks, that will be a bonus video for you guys. Okay, all right, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about this bag, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye!